And also the about section. The about section is such a deep section. So many people write 3 sentences and they're masterful for how many keywords they've crammed into a little space, but they don't convey any humanity at all. You know, it's dry, dry, dry. Help us understand who you are. So
Hmm.
that also, what kind of customer experiences do you solve and how do you solve them? Help them to know how you think, how you problem solve, how you relate to others. All of these things can be put in the about section because it is 2,600 characters long, which is about 5 paragraphs.